A life as a cat. Hi, Granny. I'm hungry. No water, that's funny. Can't miss the biscuit. I can't miss the biscuit. I can't miss. I'm kind of doing what Unicorn did, but better. There's a new update. Ooh, there's gonna be a new location, Grayson. You won't care if this. Ooh, Granny, why do you hide pumpkins? How did that not break? Meow, 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 meow. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, that's creepy.
Hi, Waggy.
Ooh. Ah, what happened? Grandpa? Grandpa! What happened to Grandpa? She can't understand me. I don't care about that.
Hi, Waggy.
Today, I'm gonna find a secret base. Now, everyone knows about the old secret base. Everyone knows about the old secret base that used to exist until they patched it. And let me go show you where what last one was. If you watch the old videos, you know what I'm talking about. Well, any old cat videos. You see that? You see that? You know how it leads you to this? They used to be, so you had to click this to get in, which apparently was a good idea. I want to make... Can I use her to fly? Kitty. Kitties don't do this, but I think... Grandma. Mama. Hide. Ow! My paws. When I started this game, I didn't even have the channel. I only had the channel for probably a month now. Now you're wondering, hey, there was other videos that had like 200 views. That wasn't made for me. So, do not get confused. And as I told you this, do not confuse. Do I? I went to open the fridge. I went to open. I said open fridge. This seems pretty good. Ain't cat food. Maybe this. And I forgot. And then in Granny's house, you can actually. I'm so used to in the new update. I'm gonna cook her something. Ka-chow! Now you're like, how are we gonna cook it now? Oh, what the? I accidentally ate the eggplant when I was meant to cook it. One down, 2 to go. And now he's like,
Abandon me.
you know, I'm gonna eat the other 2. I mean, said she's only gonna eat it once because I'm only gonna make one. Do I eat it? I want to cook her a nice meal. So that means I'm gonna need some fresh ingredients, like a carrot. A carrot. Whoever does not like carrots, don't worry. I also don't like carrots. So You're not the only one out there that don't like carrots and blue. If you don't. So, I'm gonna eat. Bam! I want them nice and cooked. Now as I know, do not hold these. I mean, put them in your mouth because they will go a little too down. And then you'll swallow them. I don't know if I can hold two and walk. Maybe if I like glitch. Slowly. Where did it go? I think I ate it. Yep, that's fine, I hope. Granny likes this. Is it this one? Can you even cook this? I heard. What? You're saying I can't cook it? That's fine, I can just put this there. Fine. But I'm just still not giving up on you, acorn. I mean, eggplant. Door. I'm an acorn. No, I ate the acorn. You know what? You get potatoes. Cut potatoes. You get a mashed potato. Now I've learned my lesson. I didn't really do anything. No. Oh, that's minutes. Maybe like 42. Oh, that's milliseconds. Get down, get down. Maybe your cat's seeing you just start cooking. Imagine you see your cats is like coming. Now I gotta hope. Granny! Granny, I want you to give me uppies.
See you for one visit.
No, I want uppies. I want uppies. I want you to...
Monsieur.
Oh, God! She got the pan. She got the pan. She got the pan. Oh, Gucci, Gucci.
You'll be harder for me.
No, I won't. I don't care. We're gonna go to the secret base. And I'm gonna switch to Yeeps to show you the new update. Because I just want to. Because I have not checked it out. And the update came like a few days ago. So for some reason I didn't check it out. I was stupid, I know. But I'll check it out, Let's see how this works. New, at least Suburbs. It was an old update. A pretty old update for some reason. Until they got rid of it. And thank you, British Bagel. You... I want to die.
No.
I need to die. I need to find the monsters and die. Thank you. Oh, great, I'm back in. Where's the monster?
I would not go that way.
I want to go. I want to die because I need to show.
I'm gonna see you, and I can throw something all the way over there. Up, there's a monster right there, run.
You know what, I'm gonna just run because I want. I have speed, by the way. Should we go this way?
See her, I can see in the dark.
Doc. Have you think about...
Do not go this way.
Wait, what?
Do not go this way. Do not go this way. Do not go this way. Go the other way. Other way. Other way. Other way. Do not go this way.
Do not go this way.
That way. Do not go that way. Do not go that way.
Like all the monsters for some reason are over there.
Yo, they're addicted to blocks, so I have to block them.
Do not go over there. Do not go over there.
Move out the way, you biggie back idiot.
Thank you for killing me. I really needed it.
Oh, I just died.
Yeah, thank you for freezing. Thank you for killing me so much.
Yeah, because I need to
welcome.
leave. Bye, guys.
Look.
Bye.
You welcome
gonna-
so much, bro.
I'm gonna play this new up. The new up. You know what?
You like it?
Hey, bro. Everyone, come here.
Actually, never mind.
Yeah.
I only have 6 minutes left.
Well, now games are getting infected by this.
Wait,
Why
guys,
is it so expensive?
guys,
Yo,
come
guys,
here.
look.
Because I need to check out. I need to check out British Bagel's map. I need to check out British Bagel. Home. They did change it. Oh my god. They did change it. They did change it. They did. Oh my god. They got rid of.
And that. Clap your butt cheeks.
I'm playing Bagel. Go to the thing Bagel. It's on the front page. Oh, I see him. Well, I did. Which? Guys, come here. Which one is the... Yes, this is the one that has the most updates.
No. Where else can we go?
Come on. Oh, this is a red portal.
Oh, guys, let's go to level 3. Let's go to level 3, guys. Let's go to
I
level 3.
Why? Oh, because
Because
it doesn't
I'm a-
matter if you don't own it.
Wait, oh, there's the headlight. Oh, wait, I need cotton. Wait, stay there. I'm just getting cotton.
It's me, Pumpkin the Pumpkin. I want some
I'm scared.
Coming back to level 3. What's the monster here?
I think it's... Wait, I need one.
Oh, yeah, it's Granny.
Oh, wait, it's the bear. It's the bear.
No, it's Granny.
No, it's the bear because I watched the update.
No, I watched this video.
Oh, wait, yeah. Oh,
Granny.
yeah, it is the granny.
Do you want to skip? I'm skipping this one.
Yep.
I don't like this.
I think we're gonna go to level 5.
Let's go to 4 first. Even though we know which one's the thing.
Blue,
Look,
blue,
I like how we made it
it's
so you
blue.
can't see now.
He's gonna die.
But I know. I like looking for it. I like how we
Blue's
made
over
it so
here.
you can't see it now.
Are you colorblind?
No, I know. I just like looking at. I'm looking at spikes.
Let me guess. Spikes. Oops, painting. Scissors.
Yeah, I just
Oh, it's this one. I hate this
He's
one.
chasing me.
I hate
But why
this
is
one.
this?
Dude, I think
I
he's
really
chasing me.
Where's the baby?
Where's the first button?
I saw the static.
No, bro,
no,
don't.
already
No,
pressed.
no, we already got that one.
pressed.
Dude, stop!
Click all.
It's already pressed. Go, go. No! Oh my gosh! Move out the way!
They already got this one.
Go, who wants to play color? Who wants to play a different map?
Do you guys want to go to Color or Die?
No, do
Yeah,
not.
let's go to color or die.
Fine. If I get killed by the baby.
Go to color or die, bro.
Where is the baby? I don't even see the baby. Oh god. That scared my living heart. Color or die, here we come.
Finally!
I freaking got scared by the baby. What? Did it say color or die?
Color or Die!
Go, 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 go.
Go to Color or Die!
I love how they...
Big Scary. We already went to Big... Wait.
I don't think he
Color
has
or
seen...
Die.
I think he
Let's
hasn't
go.
seen the... Hey. Are you scared?
Guys,
Who's scared?
Where
Who's
are you
scared?
guys?
Go, go, go.
Just.
You can't pick... Only zone?
It's a team on the board.
How do you get in then? Then how
Oh,
do
we
you
need the
beat
team
this?
probably.
How do you get the team? Wait,
You
what's
got
this?
Wait, there's a killer
the-
wardrobe. Wait, there's a killer wardrobe here.
Yep. Thanks. Where's the monster one? There's no monster one.
Find it first.
I'm looking for the
the baby
monster little thing. I'm gonna go to Big Scary just because. I think that the monster tech lab.
No,
Here.
there's no key code. Me too.
Is the monster tech lab here? I hope it is.
Real.
Whee! Whee! Please tell me what's over here. Whee!
Where's the monster at?
And where's the tech web at? Where the tech web? Is the tech web not
Five.
Run! No, guys, let's go.
How
to
about we
level
just
two.
go
Let's
to level 5?
two.
Let's just go
two,
to
no.
level 5. His
Yeah.
newest
Let's go to
level.
level 2. No, level 2, guys. Level 2.
a level? Actually, I'm going to level. Everyone go to level 2.
Dude, somebody glitched it. Somebody glitched it. Right, it's really glitched.
I'm gonna click this button.
Put the helmet on.
No!
The stinking baby.
Back to level 2 I
The
go.
baby. Oh my god, that stinking thing camping. Hey man. Put this on his head.
How did I die?
Get it. Nobody level 1?
The baby is insanely quick. Guys, can you come back?
I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I'm pretty sure.
Guys, that took forever.
Goodbye.
What monster? The grandma's in here. The grandma's in here.
I need cotton. I need
We're gonna have
co-
to find a key on
I need cotton.
We're told.
I need cotton.
No, I don't think we have to find tea at all.
I got cotton.
Guys, be careful.
What? Grandma?
The librarian's here.
Grandma?
I
actually?
figured out the cheat code.
Oh, goodbye, guys. Like and subscribe, please.